Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and I'm about to head to Poundland. I haven't been there for quite some time. I'm intrigued to see what they've got in for the summer. I do have a little bit of a shopping list, some bits and pieces that I'd like to get before we go away as well. So I'm really excited to go and see what they've got in store. Let's see if there's something new. And I thought I might do a bit of try and test as well, if I do get anything, just to share it with you in a haul at the end. But we'll see how it goes. May walk out with nothing, so you never know with that place. But thank you so much for watching today. Please subscribe if you are new. Let's go shopping. Nope. Right, we've got lots of beauty stuff as we walk in. I used to use these, and you can usually, I think they usually cost about £2.70, something like that, in Boots and places like that. So that's a really good price. I really like those. Some really nice solar bits and pieces for the garden. Solar pineapple, quite like those, and loads of different solar bulbs as well. Oh, orange Kit Kats, they sound nice. Loads and loads of little holiday bits as well. These are really nice little sizes, all £1. What have we got here? A little shaving as well. There's oils, insect repellents. Oh, these look, you've got white kids insect. Oh, they're bands. Ah, these are those bands, babe. This is the Aid Look. It's the Victoria's Secret knockoff. I'm going to have a sniff. Oh, stick-on bra. Nipple daisies. Good price. How much do you usually pay for that?
I can't remember. £4 for a large one, or
okay.
maybe more.
For a large one though. That's what I'm after, those eye patches. Might try these hair masks. Give those a go. It's nice and quiet down here. What do you want a mask for?
Scare someone?
Yeah, you can do that without a mask. Right, let's go and have a look at the summer things. Ooh, tiki glasses.
Oh, no.
We've still got our proper ones from Disney, actually.
Yes, yeah.
These are quite fun for the garden, though. These are nice. We've had these. Oh no, I don't like the
We've had
tiki
before.
things. I like these actually. These bulbs, they're quite nice. What else
We need
is
somewhere
there?
undercover outside to use them though, really, don't we?
Yeah, little mini lights, inflatable drinks holders. Oh, this is nice. I do like that actually.
Home is happiness.
I'm thinking about something.
Are you?
Yeah,
Yeah.
little things for the
Don't worry.
garden. Sports bits.
Oh,
These are.
plastic plates.
No, we're not doing.
Are they washable?
Ah, they are washable. They're not
they?
one. Yeah.
I don't know.
We've used these before actually. Mixed up cocktails to take to parties. They're quite fun. Yeah, I did it for Holly that time.
Oh, for Holly, yeah.
Yeah, these are quite nice as well. Little storage baskets. I like these little camping mugs. They're quite sweet.
Two companies at home.
I like those. Oh, I like that. Little fold-away rucksack. Do you know, something like that for Disney isn't a
seen
bad
something like that
idea.
before.
To just tie, because when you've got your ponchos as well, that's not a bad idea actually. There's some little luggage tags here. You've got your travel adapters, flight socks, luggage scales. Don't go on holiday without your luggage scales. We learnt the hard way. Locks, USB fans, turbo fans. These bags are quite handy as well for your swimwear.
Yep.
Oh look, camping.
I was about to point out.
Yeah, little cutlery
I've got some-
set.
You said those when I was younger.
Little first aid
kit.
set. Not bad. These are really fun for the garden. Little chalk sticks.
Pop chalk. What are they
Yeah,
used for?
to draw on the pavement.
Oh,
on the,
okay.
on the patio. Oh, I like that. Condiment set. That is
The burger
so
buns, the burger
cute.
containers.
Yeah. Oh, this would be
the
so much
fries.
fun. Yes. Oh, look, a barbecue brush, burger press, corn skewers. Oh, I really like this stuff. Some more bits for the garden. Oh, what's that? Little fairy dust for the garden. It's quite sweet.
Some buckets.
More lights. Yeah, I saw the buckets. They're quite nice. I like these. These little lights. £2 they are. Seen these mugs before. Really like those mugs.
Yeah, I like those.
Those stacky mugs. Bits and pieces. Some containers.
Containers, yeah.
Yeah. Quite handy. Don't think we need anything for the kitchen today, do we?
No.
Oh, these are, I know we shouldn't be having them because of being plastic free, but I bought those. I spent, I think, £5 on mine, but I do use them. I cook up double the batch and stick them in the freezer afterwards. So Aid's just read that the paper is recyclable, but the actual bags can't be.
No,
That's
doesn't
the,
look like it.
yeah.
I could be wrong. There could be something inside that says they are.
No,
But just,
probably not. These have really caught my eye.
Oh, I see something else.
I love the lemon. I love the watermelon. What else have you seen? These.
No.
Oh no, I don't like the mermaid. What's in that one? That's a shark. I'm not fussed with those, but I do like those. I do need more of these as well for a project I'm working on. Lots of frames. Anything you can see, darling, for a DIY. We've got those bits. I quite like the square frame. That's quite nice. Some frames that we haven't seen before. No, this is what I used for my DIY for my mini book storage.
Post a link down below.
Yeah, I'm going to post it below. Thanks, Aid. Concrete pots. These are lovely. Look, there's some more up there. Really like those.
If it's porous though.
Don't know. They're nice though, aren't they?
Yeah.
All this is reduced to 25p. Lots of Valentine's bits. You could turn that into something Christmassy maybe. These are what we're grabbing for holiday. Little mini Marmite. Well, that was a successful Poundland shop. Considering I wasn't really going in for much, £27 later, dropping off at the car. And I will show you. Actually, I'm going to go home, try a few things, and then I'm going to do a haul for you. So I'm back with my Poundland haul. I spent £27, like I said, and I'm just going to show you now what I bought. I think I'm going to start off with the everyday stuff. Kids really like Chili Heatwave Doritos, and these are 5 individual packets, and obviously everything that I've purchased today cost £1, so I bought a couple of packs of those. Also picked up individually wrapped pan au chocolat, the chocolate croissants. Louis really likes these in his lunch boxes. I'm also, at the moment the date is the 23rd of July, I will actually be buying these nearer to our trip. We have a really fussy eater, and also I'm wanting to keep the cost down on breakfasts, and I'm going to be taking these and a whole load of cereal bars away with us that I'm also purchasing from Poundland, or when they're on offer, and we're going to be like just having coffee, juice and croissants, cereal bars and that kind of thing to take away. They're also really handy to keep in your bag when you're out and about as well, for snacks, for kids snacks. So definitely taking these on holiday with us. I always buy dishwasher tablets, so we've got packs of 10 that I will pop in the cupboard. I've also picked up toothpaste. I always stock up on Colgate when I'm there, and it's 3 boxes for £2. I noticed that Aid snuck in some wooden pegs. That was his exciting buy. He's in charge of washing in our house. Something else I bought for holiday as well, a mini Marmite. These are really handy to take away. Our kids love Marmite, and again, it's really handy just to put on bagels or on toast when you're away. So one of these little mini ones always goes on holiday with us. Now, I said I would talk about tried and tested. I think it was my last Poundland haul, I tried the Simple shampoo and conditioner. Louis is 17 and does struggle with his skin, and I'd read somewhere, because I'd been buying him Head and Shoulders, and I'd actually watched on another vlog, one of my favorite YouTubers, he actually had stopped using Head and Shoulders because he felt it was too strong and was actually causing him skin irritation. So I switched to this Simple for Louis. Kind to hair, gentle care. It's got chamomile in it. It's got like vitamin B12, no harsh chemicals, nothing to do with animals, no colours, perfume, anything like that. And actually his skin's improved. I don't know if it's a coincidence, you never really know with these things, but his skin has definitely improved. So I've purchased these again for him. Aid was very excited. We've picked up this Vaseline Intensive Care. He's just checked online. These were obviously £1 each. They are 200ml. He usually buys the 400ml in Boots or Superdrug. He's just checked online and it's £3.60 for the 400ml. So that's a really, really good price. We've obviously got 400ml here in total for £2. The Victoria's Secret, I've mentioned this in an older Poundland haul as well. This is my original Victoria's Secret. I hadn't seen it in there since, I think it was about January time, because I saw it with the Valentine's stuff, but it's back in, and they had other fragrances as well. This is the Poundland version. This is the Victoria's Secret version. This was originally $18 that I paid. They almost smell identical. Now, this one does have a bit more of an alcohol smell, and the fragrance doesn't stay with you all day, but for £1 you wouldn't expect it. I do love my original. This is really handy to keep in the bathroom. I quite like it as like in the downstairs loo, a bit of a fragrance spray, and it's quite handy for your handbag as well when you're out and about. This is quite bulky. I'm not into perfume. I prefer more body sprays. I get headaches with really intense perfume, so I do like a body spray, but I do quite like the mini ones, so I do recommend these. If you see them in Poundland, they are definitely worth £1. Go and have a sniff, but I will still be purchasing my original sprays. I also bought these. I've tried a few things now from the number 6 range, and these I saw. If you like a Poundland haul, you need to go over to Kate McCabe. She does some really good shopping hauls, and I saw these on her channel. You have 4 pairs of these, and you just sit them on your eyes. And I'm not very good at sitting still and did nothing. I tried to actually have them on whilst I watched TV the other night. I keep mine in the fridge as well for extra sort of cooling, but I think for £1 that's a really, really good price. I was really impressed with them. They just feel really soothing, and I really struggle with bags under my eyes, as I'm sure you've noticed. It's my thing. I'm so conscious of. I'm in my 40s now. I do not get any grey hairs. I'm so lucky with my hair, but I really, really struggle with the bags under my eyes. My mum does as well. My mum's now in her 60s, still jet black hair. She doesn't dye her hair, but we've got the bags and it really bothers me, so I'm always trying new things for under my eyes. So if you have any recommendations, if there's any product that you use that you would really recommend, I would love to know. I'm really, really conscious of it. Please do leave your comments below. But for £1, I would definitely recommend these. I also bought the hair mask. I wanted to try this as well. I know that Kate recommended a hair mask, and I'm not sure which one it was. But this is a hydrating hair mask, argan oil. First off, it smells amazing. When I first opened the lid in the store, I instantly loved it. It's really good. You get quite a lot in there. I did have a shower, washed my hair, and then you towel dry it. And then I actually got out of the shower in my towel and I meal planned for the week whilst my hair mask was on, and then I went back in the shower to wash it off. I can't say that I really noticed a difference. I guess I have very wavy hair and I do use hair mousse on it as well, so it's not like it's soft or I noticed a difference like that. But what the big difference I've noticed, it smells so nice. All day yesterday I just kept getting this waft from my hair, and it's really, really good. So I would definitely continue to use this, and I would definitely continue to buy this as well as and when I see it in Poundland. I would really recommend this. Let me know if you try it and if you notice a difference. Like, I wonder if you've got more kind of slick hair, quite straight, if you notice a difference of it being more conditioned. I'm really not sure, to be honest with you. And it does also say about nourishing dry and damaged hair. I don't have dry and damaged hair anyway. I don't do anything with my hair. I have it cut about every 10 months, just a trim. That's all I do with my hair. I don't colour it. I don't use heat tools on it, anything like that. So I do actually have really good conditioned hair, so maybe that's why I didn't notice a difference. But if you have tried this, I would love to know if you've noticed a difference. Also got these shampoos. These, I didn't buy these this time. It's a shampoo and conditioner for curls. I did buy them previously, but I've been using them. I wouldn't say that I've really noticed any difference in my hair, if I'm totally honest. It says it helps reduce frizz. My hair is quite frizzy. I get all these little flyaway bits. I don't know. I can't say that I notice a difference from using these compared to other shampoos that I've used. So I don't think I would necessarily buy them again. They're a great price, but I didn't notice a huge difference in my frizzy hair. I bought more baskets. I'm always buying baskets in Poundland, and I keep talking about doing that cupboard declutter, which I really need to do. And to be honest, I was going to be stealing some baskets out of my studio, but now I don't need to. These are going to be my medication baskets. So if you would like to see that cupboard declutter, let me know below, because I really need to do it. And actually, maybe if you hound me to do it, it might encourage me to do it, because everything keeps getting in the way. And maybe that should be next week's Motivational Monday video. I keep saying I'm going to do it. Let me know if it's something you would really like to see. Push me to get it done. And do obviously subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss that video. But these, I forgot to say after all that chattering, that you get 2 for £1. And I've got loads of these baskets now in my bathroom, in my work studio. I keep them in drawers, I keep them in cupboards. They're so handy. I picked up 3 packs of washi. Love the washi tape in Poundland. We have got 6 rolls for £1. Loads and loads of different designs. They're really handy. I loved the barbecue section. It was so cute. We've actually done fun family barbecues before. I think I picked up a load of the packaging and that from the range before, and it's just really cute if you're doing something fun. I bought this condiment set for barbecue sauce, mayo, ketchup and mustard. We're actually having a family barbecue today. So I think I'm going to use these. They're just really sweet. And can you imagine making up a gift basket? If you've got somebody in your family that really loves to barbecue, you could like get a basket, you could get these, you could get napkins, you could get like a brush, all kinds of things for the barbecue. I think that would make a really lovely gift. I also bought this. Love the little pots in there at the moment. They're like concrete. It's really heavy, and it's got this design going all the way across, which is like embossed. That's inside. Really like this kind of thing is really on trend at the moment, and it looks very Anthropology, and for £1 you really can't go wrong. And again, actually, could you imagine that with a really nice succulent or a cactus in? Giving that as a gift, I think that would look really nice and a lot more expensive than what it is. My very favourite item of the trip was this lemon tray. I am a sucker for cute dishes. I have them everywhere in my work studio. I just think they look really lovely, and actually I might keep this one in the kitchen. Again, could you imagine buying a really nice gin? You can pick them up really reasonably priced these days as well, like in Lidl and Aldi, and actually giving that as a gift in a gift bag, gin, some tonic, some lemons and a cute little dish. That would look a really nice gift. But it's ceramic. And there was the watermelon one as well. I really liked that, but I controlled myself and just bought the one. Let me know, what was your favourite item that I purchased today? I'm so happy with the shop today. It was fun, and I've got some really good products. And I really enjoy testing them for you as well. I hope you're enjoying that side of the shopping videos as well. Let me know if that's something that you are enjoying, so I will continue to do so. And let me know, is there anywhere else that you would like me to go shopping? Do you know we've got the Range about 20 minutes ago? I never ever go to the Range. Is that somewhere that would interest you? They've got quite a lot of crafty bits. I know we're going to need to do a home bargain shop as well soon. I'd quite like to see what summer things they've got in, but let me know if there's anywhere else in particular you would like me to go and have a nose. I did Primark last week. If you didn't see that, I will link up that video below for you. And that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do follow me on Instagram. I am the Funky Fairy. And tomorrow we have a Disney video. And then I hope you have a lovely weekend. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you are new, and please share this video if you think somebody else will enjoy seeing what's in Poundland at the moment. Take care. Bye.